Well, it's Monday the 13th of July, and it's 9 o'clock on the East Coast, and this is a cluster of 47. They haven't all set yet, but they have that many flowers. Here's another huge cluster. That's one cluster. See it come up, see it split, see it split, see it split, split. See, these are 35 and 40. Tons of flowers. Here's that cluster of grapes, tomatoes. If you ever see this on your plant, you have a starling. It's taking the leaves off. They've got a nest in that old birdhouse over there, and they line their nest with leaves off tomato plants. There's a cluster of tomatoes set. There's tomatoes set. There's tomatoes set. Start at the bottom, getting ripe. And you can see all these flowers and all these tomatoes. And that is on just one side of the plant. We'll come over here. Hundreds. Here's one right next to it. See this cluster? Friendly little bee working. All these flowers. This one on the end is going to be a good producer. You can see all the flowers, all the grapes forming. Each one of these have 5, 6, 7, 10 clusters per stem, 8 or 10 stems. And these better boys have finally caught up. They didn't set anything down low, very few. And this one here is going to be our first ripe one, and that's one of the few that sat down at the bottom. But with the pollinators, we're starting to get a few more setting in the mid-range. And with all the flowers here, they'll be quite productive. And even this 4th of July tomatoes started to set more at the top. It did set quite a number at the bottom. We've got to pick these. But this plant's about 5.5 feet tall. And there's a lot of tomatoes in here for the small as the plants are. I mean, there's probably 40 tomatoes on that plant. This is probably about 20, 25. They aren't doing as well as they usually do. There's still a number up there. I've been tying them up. And see, when you tie it up with long ties, you can bring these up and use the same tie.